Let's examine how we can have fun with math during the preschool years. Infants and toddlers begin to form ideas about math through everyday experiences, and most importantly, through interactions with trusted adults. This only continues to develop as children mature in their understanding about math concepts. Incidental learning takes place as children explore their environment. They compare items naturally when considering features such as big and small or blue and yellow. Other examples of math vocabulary to use in everyday language include more and less, heavy and light, same and different, longer and shorter, empty and full, and big and little. Children learn about numbers and operations through the natural environment. As they start to understand quantity, children begin to consider numbers and how to use objects to represent numbers. They start to count and even use one-to-one touch as they count and touch objects. Some math talk to use in the household include things such as, "Oh, you made 3 yellow Play-Doh balls. Let's see how many steps it takes us to get to the car. 1, 2, 3. You can ask children to help you set the table and consider how many plates you need, and also putting 1 plate at each seat. This is all math. You can examine food that you're eating and talk about things such as how many crackers are on the table or the plate. Space and relationships related to shapes develop in the preschool years. The observation of shapes and sizes begins early in life and only continues to develop. In the preschool years, children observe how there are a variety of shapes and that they can vary in size. Some math talk might include discussion about puzzles, such as, look, if you turn this shape, it can fit into the puzzle. You might look at toys and say, the blue truck is bigger, the yellow truck is smaller. Or you might look at crackers and say, some of the crackers are a square and some are a circle. An understanding of measurement begins. Children naturally observe volume amounts early on, but when looking at containers with the same amount of liquid, they'll say that the larger container contains more, no matter if it contains less or not. Some measurement math talk in the home might consider things such as looking at how many cars long this picture contains. So you would say, oh, if you look at this measurement here, it's 12 cars long. Or let's count how many cars you have. What is longer, the tape measure or the row of cars? Something you can do is you can time how long it takes to brush your teeth. Or you might consider a backpack that is heavier with all the books inside of it. An understanding of patterns and relationships develop. Children begin to recognize patterns as they play with toys or examine flowers in a garden. Some math talk related to patterns and relationships might include, you have 4 orange cars, 4 red cars, 4 green cars. This has children examine colors and develop pattern sense. You can also consider the stripes on your shirt. You have a gray stripe and a red stripe, a gray stripe and a red stripe. Or you might line up beads as you're making a necklace and talk about how the shapes are arranged. Circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square. Collecting and organizing information is important. Children are natural collectors. They collect things outside and in the house as they play. This lends for a great opportunity for conversation. Parents can teach children how to sort and analyze information through conversations. They can also simply say, let's sort our laundry, put all the socks in one pile. Let's put the cars in the basket and the balls in the box. Math talk is important. We can make math that occurs in daily life visible to children through math talk. Every day offers us countless opportunities to deepen children's understanding of math vocabulary and math concepts. The more we talk math, the better chance children have to build a positive attitude toward learning.